Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Chrysler 300 AC system. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate eye protection and gloves to prevent injury. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. We'll start by finding the low-pressure service port, which is crucial for a successful recharge. Now, let's connect your AC recharge kit. Take the Quick Connect fitting and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port you just located. Listen for a click to confirm it's secure. The gauge on your kit should now display the current pressure in your AC system. This reading helps determine if a recharge is truly needed. With the kit connected, start your Chrysler 300 engine and set the air conditioning to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Now, you can begin adding the refrigerant. Squeeze the trigger on the can in short bursts, allowing the refrigerant to enter the system slowly. Continuously watch the pressure gauge to avoid overfilling. Once the pressure gauge indicates the system is within the recommended green range, you can stop adding refrigerant. Carefully disconnect the recharge kit from the low-pressure service port. Finally, check the air coming from your Chrysler 300 vents. It should now be noticeably colder, indicating a successful AC recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.